Okay, I have my Google Sheet. This is a Google Sheet basically. All right. And of course, I am formulating this set of formula, and this is the answer that I get. So you can see the formula inside here. All right, so you can see the formula inside here. Okay, so basically this segment in the middle is to explain how you actually use the round. Right, the first part is actually the value that you want to round, and the second portion is actually the decimal. All right, so in this case 2.15 round to one decimal, because it's a 5, it goes up to 2.2. Then 2.149, of course, is less than 5. Okay, then actually it rounds down. Okay, and it also work for negative numbers. So like for instance, negative 1.475 to 2 decimal. All right, so of course it rounds up, so 1.48, so negative. But you can also put negative number at the back, see like all this over here. So if you put a negative 1, it rounds to the 10th position. So closer to the 10th position is 20. All right, and of course if you round to negative 3, then of course it is by the thousand. So in this case, it will go up to 1000. Okay, so this one again, negative 1. So closest to the 10, but since it's only 1.9, then the closest will be 0. Right? And this one, because closest to the 100, okay, and then it will go up to a minus 100. So round, not only can you do a round by decimal, you can also round to the nearest 10, hundreds, or even thousands.